In today's video, we are going to show you how to open an HTML file in Mozilla Firefox. This is useful if you are previewing a website, checking HTML code, or testing a local web page. Let's begin. Now, open Firefox, and then the first thing that you need to do is to use the shortcut key in opening an HTML, which is pressing Ctrl button plus the O on your keyboard, and if you are using Mac, that's going to be Command plus O. What will happen is it will open a specific window, and all I have to do is open the HTML file on your computer. It usually ends in .html or .htm. Okay? Click the open, and basically this is the fastest and easiest method. All right. Now, another option that you can do is go to the top right corner where you can see the three horizontal lines and go to downloads and simply drag and drop the HTML file on Mozilla Firefox, and it would automatically open. Okay. So basically that's it for today's video on how to open an HTML file in Mozilla Firefox. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.